Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Siri not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off. So guys, after restarting your iPhone on the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is ensure Hey Siri and other settings are enabled. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on Siri and search. So enable listen Hey Siri and tap on continue. Hey Siri, Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. So Hey Siri is ready, and tap on done, and then go enable this option and then go back, and then after this the next solution is manage Siri restrictions for Siri. So for this, go to settings, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions. So turn off the content and privacy restrictions for your iPhone, and then go back, disable low power mode if you have enabled low power mode. So disable the low power mode option, and then after this the next solution is check for latest iOS update. So for this, go to settings, go to general, tap on software update and wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my iPhone. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, and then after this the next solution is reset all settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.